Visa rejected. Meg weeps as UK immigration decline her from UK following Harry's failed lawsuit. Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, has been dealt a devastating blow as her attempt to obtain a UK visa has been rejected by the British immigration authorities. The former actress, who moved to California with her husband Prince Harry in 2020, had applied for a family visa to visit the UK and reunite with Harry's family. However, her application was denied on the grounds that she did not meet the eligibility criteria and that she had lied about her credentials and intentions. The news of Meghan's visa rejection comes shortly after Harry lost a High Court challenge against the government over the level of his security protection when visiting the UK. Harry had sued the Home Office. After his security status was downgraded and his police protection was withdrawn, following his decision to step back as a senior royal, Harry claimed that he was entitled to the same level of security as other members of the royal family and that his safety and privacy were a risk. However, the judge ruled that the government had acted lawfully and fairly and that Harry's security was decided on a case. Meghan, who had hoped to accompany Harry on his trips to the UK, was shocked and outraged by the court's verdict. She accused the government of discriminating against Harry and her and of trying to sabotage their relationship with the royal family. She also claimed that she had a right to enter the UK as Harry's wife and the mother of his children Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet. She said that she had followed all the rules and procedures to apply for a family visa and that she had provided all the necessary documents and evidence to prove her identity, income and relationship with Harry. However, the UK immigration authorities were not convinced by Meghan's claims. They found several discrepancies and inconsistencies in her application and suspected that she had falsified some of the information. They also questioned her motives and sincerity and doubted that she intended to live permanently with Harry in the UK. They pointed out that Meghan had not renounced her US citizenship and that she had signed a lucrative deal with Netflix to produce content for the streaming service. They also noted that Meghan had not visited at the UK since March 2020 and that she had skipped several important royal events such as the funeral of Prince Philip and the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. The immigration authorities also cited Meghan's previous history of lying and deception as a reason to reject her visa application. They referred to the recent revelation that Meghan had lied about writing a letter to her estranged father Thomas Markle, which was published by the Mail on Sunday. Meghan had sued the newspaper for breach of privacy and copyright, but the case was complicated by the disclosure of message between Meghan and Harry and their former communications secretary Jason North, which suggested that Meghan had not been truthful about the letter. The immigration authorities also mentioned Meghan's controversial interview with Oprah Winfrey, where she made several accusations against the royal family and the British media, some of which were proven to be false or exaggerated. Meghan was informed of the decision to deny her visa by email and was given 28 days to appeal or leave the country. Meghan was reportedly in tears when she read the email and felt that she had been betrayed and humiliated by the UK government. She called Harry and begged him to intervene and help her, but Harry said that there was nothing he could do and that he had to respect the law. Harry also said that he was sorry for the situation but that he still loved her and supported her. He suggested that they could still see each other in the US or other countries and that they could try to apply for a different type of visa.